Welcome to Fred's Sustainable Gardening. Hey there, fellow. Green thumbs, have you ever wondered how you can turn your backyard, or even your balcony, into a sustainable paradise? Imagine growing your own food, creating a haven for pollinators, and helping the planet, all while saving money. Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Fred's Sustainable Gardening. Today I'm going to share 3 simple steps to kickstart your journey toward a greener, more self-sufficient lifestyle. Trust me, you don't need a green thumb to make it happen. Just a little curiosity and a seed of determination. First things first, let's talk about soil. Healthy soil is like the foundation of a house. Without it, nothing can grow properly. Did you know you can enrich your soil with simple kitchen scraps? That's right. Those eggshells and coffee grounds you toss out are gold for your garden. This is called composting, and it's the ultimate recycling project for your garden. Now let's talk planting. Whether you have a sprawling yard or just a few pots, start with hardy plants like lettuce, kale, or herbs. They're beginner-friendly and grow like magic. And here's a tip. Companion planting is a game changer. Basil loves tomatoes, and marigolds can keep pests away. Pair them up for a natural boost. Finally, water wisely. Overwatering is the #1 mistake beginners make. Use rain barrels or drip irrigation systems to save water and keep your plants happy. And remember, gardening is about working with nature, not against it. Here's the reward of sustainable gardening: fresh, delicious produce straight from your own little patch of earth. Imagine biting into a sun-warmed tomato you grew yourself. It's a taste you'll never forget. But we're just getting started. Next time, I'll show you how to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies to your garden. It's easier than you think, and it makes your garden thrive. So hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey to grow your future, one seed at a time. Let's make the world greener together. See you in the garden.